ZOESHAAA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the start of a weekly vlog, and I'm starting the vlog early technically, but not really because it's nighttime. It's like, I don't know, 10-12 at night, and we're hungry, so I'm about to make something to eat. Shout out to Goodfood for sponsoring this video and saving the day, because I'm about to make one of my last Goodfood dish as a Goodfood ambassador. Yeah, right. So I'm about to make this. What is this? The savory ground pork naan pizzas with balsamic glazed pear and baby greens salad. Okay? It says it should take about 20 minutes cooking time. So yeah, I'm super excited about what it's gonna look like, y'all. So I'm super excited about this. So come with me, let's cook this, let's eat this, watch a little show and go to my bed because I'm tired, people. I am super tired. But y'all, if you guys have never heard about Goodfood, it's basically the greatest thing on earth. Like, it's literally the greatest thing on earth. Like, if you want to be going to the store, buying any groceries, anything like that, this is the perfect service for you. You just go on the website, choose what meals you want in your delivery, check out, and it's sent to your location. So everything that you need comes in the bag, it comes in the box, and you don't have to worry about anything. The only thing you might need to add at home is like some salt and pepper and maybe like some oil. That's about it. Everything else you get, down to little onion, vegetable, all these things. You literally get everything that you need to prepare your meal, along with the card with the instructions and all of that. So it's easy peasy pumpkin squeezy. And it's crazy because I was telling him the other, like when we got the box and like we were making the meals, I was like, yo, like if I am to have kids and my child goes off to like college or university or whatever the case may be, like I would gift this to them because this is absolutely perfect. You know what I mean? Quick, easy. They have breakfast options, everything. Vegetarian options, clean options. You can swap out different proteins for different recipes. Bomb.com. I love Goodfood. I spend my own coins with Goodfood before they even reached out to me. So baby, thank you Goodfood again for the collaboration, and thank you again for sponsoring this video. Thank you for all the delicious meals. All the other meals that we had, 10 out of 10. Yo, that baby, woo, so good. But I'm excited for this because I love me a good naan. But with pizza, let's get into it, baby. Let's get into it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come in and tell you guys a couple of reasons why you guys should use Goodfood. Now, the first one, you get your package delivered directly to your door or anywhere that you want your package delivered to. And you get to choose your delivery dates, you get to choose your delivery times. I believe you get to choose like whether it's in the morning, afternoon, evening. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but I do believe that option is there. Now, this is my third attempt getting my box only because uh, there were like hiccups in regards to delivery instructions and stuff like that. But one thing that I can honestly say about Goodfood from the get-go, their customer service has always been top tier. I am, listen, I do customer service for a living, so I know what to expect. I appreciate a great customer service representative, and it was never ever an issue for me to either be refunded for a box or to redeliver a box. Okay? So, if you are all about customer service, Goodfood is your girl. Okay. Now, when you get your box, you literally get everything in your box, as you guys can see. Your box is going to come with like some ice packs to keep the meats or your proteins frozen. And everything else is super fresh. Like, you guys, everything was so fresh. And another reason why I love these boxes is because a lot of times I get to use different ingredients that I never thought I would have ever used, that I don't know about, and then I go off ending up researching them and using them in different things. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but I get tired of eating the same things all the time. So you can only curry me so many times. You can only jerk me so many times. You know what I mean? I like the fact that there's a variety and spins on different things that I like even their tacos. When I see taco options, the taco options are so different from just the normal regular ground beef options. So it just opens your palates to a whole bunch of different um uh, a lot. It opens your palates to a lot. Okay? But you literally get everything, and everything is bagged out so you know what belongs to what, so you're not confused. You get your instructions, and it basically tells you everything that you need. If you need any additional items, it will tell you what you need as well. So, as I mentioned, or as I will mention, I believe all that you really need when you get these boxes is literally some salt, some pepper, and some oil, and your pots and your pans. That's it. Good Food sets you up and they give you everything. And when I tell you they give you the best of everything, you are getting the best of everything, whether that is a fruit, a vegetable, or your protein. Yeah, guys, so it's really that simple. All you have to do is go onto the website, create an account, place your order, set up your delivery time, and your box will come directly to you with all of the goodness inside. And it's so easy, convenient, and you get your meals in literally under 30 minutes. Like, hello? Can't say I didn't put you on. Okay. Medium pan, sheet pan, oil, salt and pepper, parchment paper. Medium pan, sheet pan. Cook the pork and wilt the spinach. Reheat the oven to 450.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should lie on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should lie on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep your moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love.
It's a pizza.
Oh, flat.
Look how the boy mess up the couch.
The pork? What kind of pork?
Pork.
I mean, like, it's a minced pork. But, or spinach. No, no exaggeration there. The flavor, then give a seasoning too. Something more than seasoning.
Good food for the win.
Only different flavor one as a people.
Very flavorful, different. If you want something different, if you're tired of the same
No,
thing.
I really talk, man.
If you're tired of the same thing, y'all, I'm telling you, all of our meals, 10 out of 10. If you're tired of the same thing, try it out. My coupon code. My coupon code will be in the description box if I have one. Big up. Thank you again, Good Food. Hi guys. Welcome to Sunday. It's late and I'm starting this late. My battery's finna die. But I am about to do my hair. It's 9/11. Rest in peace. I'm about to do a quick weave without doing a quick weave. Because I've been wearing my hair out for the last 2 weeks or so. And I am tired of putting it in a bun every day. So I'm about to glue in some tracks. I found some hair. So I'm about to glue in some tracks. I don't even know what I want. I don't know if I want a middle part. I don't know what I'm doing. I'll figure it out. I don't know what I want to do. I don't even know where these bundles came from. Let's do a middle. I haven't done a middle part in a while.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah,
Hi guys, welcome to Monday. Yeah, it's 8:30 now. I'm tired. I'm tired today. Work was a lot. Had a rough night's sleep. Kind of. I don't know, I just couldn't sleep. Like, it's so weird. I couldn't sleep. I was so hot and like, I don't know, I couldn't sleep, but yeah. And then today was just extremely busy. Like, I couldn't touch my phone, not even like for 1 second. Like it was so freaking busy today. Anyways, I'm home. I did stop at the mall on my way home to pick up some stuff at Sephora, so I will show you guys what I picked up a little bit later. But I'm here, I'm watching Pookie's, well, Pookie, pause, Pookie's mom, but Pook's vlog. If y'all don't know Brightest Day, oh, this is a bad it's on pause. I'm watching her Canada vlog. It literally just went up, and it's so funny because I commented what everybody like runs to go and comment, like, so I'm first. Hey, anyways, yeah, I'm doing that, and I'm about to make something to eat because I literally just hopped out of the bed. I came home, went into the bed, and I'm like, I need to come finish my hair. I did not finish it yesterday. I need to come finish my hair and do something with it so I look really, really presentable for the rest of the days of my life. And yeah, so I will touch base with you guys in a little bit. Yeah, this lighting is so much better. I will touch base with you guys in a little bit, and yeah, pick back up that way. But yeah, just wanted to turn on the camera really quick and say hi, welcome to Monday. Hi, happy new year. First weekly vlog of 2024. Yeah, and it's March. Forgot to say all of that before. And Sunday, yeah, it's March 18th to be exact. And there's a lot going on, but I'll talk to you guys when I'm doing my hair. Yeah, I think I'll talk to y'all when I'm doing my hair.
Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five, I'll be on nine, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in five, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in five, I'll be on nine, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting all year for. Make time for a minute. Got a lot of time, I just spend it. I just first put my niggas out, go on. Still, you know it's spinning. What you wanna do? Bobby, friends, all you got to know. I'll be in your mind. No way, baby, let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there, I'm on my way.
So y'all, I was about to sign off, and then I forgot that I said I was coming back to y'all. But my hair is done. Oh, I just came out the shower, so everything is flattened. But yeah, it'll look better when I fix it, you know. But I just got a little bit of layers in there and stuff. I wanted to curl it, but it's not working out for me, so I wet it a little bit. I need to get some curling rods. That's what I need to get. I used to have thousands. I sent my cousin home in them one day and she never ever brought them back, so I need to go and I need to get back my curling rods. I made a quick dinner tonight. We made chicken burger and fries, bacon chicken burger and fries. Okay, but yeah, I said I promised you guys I was gonna come show you guys what I got at Sephora. Okay, anyways, so I bought my facial stuff. I currently am in love with The Ordinary, the hyaluronic acid. I've been using this religiously and I'm basically done. So it's like I need to get a new one. And I was gonna get the bigger bottle, but everything I got was the 30 milliliters. So I was like, I don't want to be out of order, you know. But then I realized one of the products that I got only comes in a 30 milliliter. So next time I'm gonna have to just re-up and get the other bottle because I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. So as I told you guys in my get ready with me, like I'm focusing on all things like facial, like skin, all that kind of stuff. So I have a lot of like laugh lines and a lot of like fine fine lines and stuff. So I'm trying to get rid of those. So from the same Ordinary brand, I got the lactic acid. So I'm gonna start using this tonight because I don't have this one. So I'm gonna start using this tonight because, baby, when I say I'm trying to be cute for the rest of my life, I'm trying to be cute for the rest of my life. So adding that into the regimen. This I can put up until this one is done, which it will be just now. And then I need a new moisturizer, which for my birthday this year, hold on, I did get something. Oh, there's no moisturizer in here anyways, but I got the Youth to the People for the birthday gift. It comes with a superfood cleanser, a air whip. Oh, it does come with a moisturizer, and then a dream mask. So yeah, but these, I was so annoyed because I honestly, on the box it looked a lot bigger. Like everything was super tiny. So I don't know, I was saying I would probably try this out first, but nah, I'll leave that. When I'm ready to just use all of that, I'll just use all of that and call it a day. But yeah, again, back to the Sephora. I got the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors moisturizer. Yeah, so I want to try this. I'm currently using this. Nothing too serial. Currently using the St. Ives, but I like the St. Ives and it's affordable. So I'm currently using this on my face along with this Rice Water Bright facial massage cream. Y'all, this leaves my freaking face feeling so good. My mom got me this for Christmas and I've been hooked. So I'm about to do my nighttime regime before I go to bed. I'm not gonna use the moisture. Should I try the moisturizer tonight or just wait until this is done? I'll just wait until this is done because this is currently what I'm using right now. And yeah, my burger's waiting for me in the microwave. I'm about to eat that and go to sleep. But yeah, I just had to tell y'all. Told y'all I'm becoming a girl. Nobody come ruin my video.
Yeah, I'll be there.
Nighttime routine bomba. Come say goodnight.
Good morning.
Come say goodnight. It's a weekly vlog. Just come say goodnight. Nobody not gonna see your bottom.
I don't really bottom. Why?
Just come say goodnight. Why you gotta be so extra? You're already here. Exactly. You're already ruining it. Who cares? It's not like I'm coming on vacation to see you. This is regular life. I look mash up all the time.
Regular life.
You live here. It's a different case scenario. That should be your answer. No. Can you warm my food for me? Please? Can you warm my food for me, please? 30 seconds. I think. And then feel it. Oh yeah, guys, that's what I was gonna tell you guys. So yeah, March just started off like horrible. So there's this girl that I grew up with that like I would still see from time to time. She has like a hair store, so I would frequent and go there and get stuff from her store. She died 31. Crazy. And then the following week, or yeah, I want to say the following week, another person that I knew passed away. I grew up with her daughters. And like she had a YouTube channel. She found me on YouTube, like crazy. She had like a thank you. What are you eating? Open your mouth. Let me smell your breath.
Why?
What else could you be eating? She stop.
The camera.
She yeah, she passed away. So
Who does?
no, I was just telling them about the deaths that recently happened to people that I know. So all that's been going on. So the first girl, the girl that I grew up with, her funeral is next week. I'm so debating because y'all, I do not like funerals, but I have to show my respects. She has 3 kids and her fiance like gone, never coming back. Crazy, yo. And then the other one, I don't know. There's no word in regards to when that one's keeping, but it's crazy. Like, I know it's a leap year, and they say that during a leap year, there's a lot of deaths. Oh, babe, can I get a knife? It's okay, I'll come. I need juice anyways. They say that during a leap year, there's usually a lot of deaths, but baby, this is a lot. But anyways, I am done for the day. I'm gonna put on some Fatal Attraction and attract my bed until I'm on in. My work time changed, my work hours changed. So I was going into work a little bit later just because things are a little slow. But my boss changed the time back to normal tomorrow, but I'm just gonna act like I forgot and come in for the later time because you didn't remind me. Nor did you say come in tomorrow at the regular time. But I think I'm gonna go in for the time. I'm just not gonna go in for my early time. Like, I'll go in 30 minutes later when we actually open. I'm calling it again. I am, cause I need my coins back in my bank account. So I have things coming up that I need money for. So I'm not even gonna fumble my bag. Anyway, that's it for Monday. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I will see you guys in Tuesday. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to, oh my God, it's only Tuesday? So it's only Tuesday, you guys?
Yeah, I feel like no, tomorrow Wednesday.
Oh my God, you guys, here's my man. He's in the kitchen doing what he's supposed to be doing, cooking for me. Okay. Did they see? Even when he's not supposed to be, like, I don't understand. When it's his time to talk, he doesn't want to talk. When it's not his time to speak, that's when he wants to speak. When I'm speaking or anybody else is speaking, that is his time to speak. Anyways, y'all, as I said, he's in here cooking and just put on rice and after 9 o'clock, 9:30. Me, I get ready to go on my bed anyways. So
yeah, 9 to 5 in the bed.
He gets home way before me. He leaves work way before me and reaches way before me. You guys, when I'm leaving, babe, when I'm leaving work, you're literally. When I'm leaving work, he's literally home. Like, or like almost home.
People just want to apart work timing.
Yes, but that makes such a big difference when it comes down to traffic.
Yeah, true, you know what I'm saying? Especially when the weather come like and traffic just be unnecessary.
Anyways, y'all, so as I said, it's Thursday. I mean, I wish it was for the freaking Thursday. Hold on, let me turn this down for a second, people. So again. But yeah, the people them get packaged today, and I make one bag of nice because them get packaged and it's not my name that's on it. I will put the. I'm gonna put it on, but he got his he's been dying for one of these shoe displays. So I'm have him shoes and him not even save a space for me and say, babe, may I put one in there for you or so. Hello, talk, me not talk to you. It's not your time to spoke. Me just give you the microphone a while ago. Me give you all of the spotlight. Me give you have the stage a while ago. You never want to use it. You lose your chance. It's not your time now. Let me talk. Let me talk. Thank you. So yeah, guys. Him don't even ask me. You see, if I did have one, would I say, all right, babe, me have a space for you. Me would have split it in a half. But I saw. This is all you know when your person is your person, people. Little things like that, okay? Little things like that. If them can't share, but them always want you to share with them. Little things. Pay attention. Da da da. Yeah, I said what I said. I'ma stand firm in that. But yeah, him get him little things. So I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but he can't stay right there, so. Cause anyhow it stay right there, so me I kick it down. Me I kick it down. So yeah, but nothing really happened today, guys. Went to work, came home. It was hectic coming home. And I didn't do anything. Y'all, it's snowing.
It's snowing.
Like, you guys, I wish I could explanation, but like just last week, like people were wearing no jackets. And it's snowing. Like it's freezing. As you can see, me in my robe, me in our sweatpants. Like it's free, and I'm in the house. It's freezing.
Why not? Tell them you copyright you sing the song?
No.
Oh.
And it's March 19th. So I don't know, but I'm over it. Like I'm over winter. Absolutely over it. But yeah, nothing happened today. I wanted to go to the gym, but I'm tired, y'all. I'm mad tired. We both woke up after our alarms were supposed to wake us up today. So yeah, we're super, well, I know me tired. So I'm about to go shower and call it a night. I wanted to edit. I do have a video that needs to go up before the end of this week. So I'll come home tomorrow and I'll do that because I do have to be on my computer anyways. I have some orders that I need to do. So actually, oh, speaking of which, I need to go and place an order right now, actually. Yeah, I need to go do that actually right now. I need to go find one of my gift cards for my birthday, go place that order on Michael's. And yeah, tomorrow after work, I'm gonna have to go pick up some stuff because I do have some orders that I need to fulfill. And yeah, but I just wanted to come in and pop in and say hello, you know, for vlog's sake and whatever. And yeah, how y'all doing? How's your year been so far? Fantastico. Was there anything else that I needed to say to y'all today? No, I don't think so. 10 bad people. Oh my god, y'all, actually, nah, I'm not gonna say nothing. I don't have luck with those things. But yeah, wanna know if you know anything, wanna know. Not talking anything too prematurely, but yeah, I'm excited for a lot of things. But yeah, yeah, going to bed. Talk to her tomorrow. Me I watch live right now. Me I watch Johnny. When you sit down and I watch foot type argue with beer man, and them somebody I know foolishness I watch. I know foolishness I watch. So me no watch Bonnie all the time. No? That's not true. That's not true. Anyways, people, listen. I don't know why the people don't have to come into my business. When I have the time to talk, him no want to talk. When me I talk, him want come talk. Right. People, the man want to show you in food. But you can't really go see it that well neither. You need the light.
Camera, yeah, no, I want to see it.
People, the man get serious when they come out to him food, you know. Very, very serious. Boom, boy, yeah, yeah.
Oh, jerking it like a grill.
Yeah, that is it. Yard Spice Kitchen, Yard Spice Foods. Look on it, people. What you the man a guide me and you know, people?
Oh,
like me can't do it.
Oh, Van.
Me I try showing you the seasonings. Y'all see the seasonings? Watch the. Pan that. Yeah, now. Where you say, chef? Why you say, where you run for?
Naked.
It's not on your body.
Put it on way, 2 hours. Come.
Move for him, man. Move.
Okay.
Alright, no, I can't, because it will mash up. Bye. Yeah, okay. Great. Bye.
Will.